About 2 months ago, I made this video where I tested a side hustle from a large YouTuber that claimed that you could make $55,000 per month, copy and paste without lifting a finger. That video has gone viral. It's gotten a lot of traction. And one person commented just yesterday, but man, you can't expect some gain less than 1 week. I think you should do these kind of video at least 3 months, mainly because it's organic. Even if you create any type of content, could take the same amount of time to generate some traffic. So first of all, he probably missed the 1 month update, but since this video, the original video, has gotten a lot of traction, I'll do a 2 month update. So in this video, I'm going to update you on my progress on trying to make 55K per month without lifting a figure, copying and pasting. We're going to take a look at the process really quick because it's a simple process, and I'm going to reveal my results, how much I'm making, how many views, how many subscribers, all of that good stuff, so you can know if this is a good idea for you. Also, before we get up and running, I have an idea where I want to put together a spreadsheet of at least 500 niches. Included in that niches will be like 5 to 10 different keywords and affiliate programs that go along with that niche. Comment yes down below if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing me create, because I think that'd be pretty cool and I think that could help a lot of people. Anyway, watch this entire video to learn if this process makes sense, if it's doable, or if it's a complete waste of time. Hi, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I actually create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this episode of I Tried It, I am going to quickly review this side hustle that claims that you can make 55K per month without lifting a finger. I'm going to reveal my results, and I'm going to provide some better opportunities. So according to the original video by Jay, basically it's going to be a copy and paste. You don't have to lift the finger, but you're going to be lifting a bunch of fingers. What you're going to do is you are going to create inspirational or motivational 6-second videos. What you'll need to do, and if you're taking a look at my screen here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in inspirational quote. For example, you can go to this website that Shopify has put together where it has over 200 motivational quotes. You are going to copy these quotes, and you are going to put them in video editing software. You are going to come back to the internet and you are going to look up inspirational music. You are going to put that inspirational music, so as you can see, you're lifting bunches of fingers already. You are going to take royalty-free inspirational music. You're going to download that to your computer, and you're going to make 6-second clips with drone videos in the background. What he suggests that you do in his video is you go over to a website like Pexels and you type in drone video. And you are simply going to make 6-second videos. Drone footage like this. You're going to download a bunch of them to your computer. You're going to make 6-second clips, and you're magically going to make 55K. He recommends using affiliate marketing to do this. Anyway, in my opinion, there's a lot of issues with this process. You're not solving a problem. If you look at it from TikTok and even YouTube's side of it, is this type of content is not unique, original content. It's not adding value. It's actually devaluing the platform. And what happens is this type of content may have their viewers leave the platform. And so it's really kind of one of those things where if you look at it not as a person that's trying to just make a cash grab, look at it from the content owner. So look at it YouTube side, look at it from TikTok side. Is this content valuable? Will this content help a target audience? If the answer is yes, then they're going to push it. If the answer is no, then they're not gonna push it. They're gonna suppress it. Also, you need to realize that these platforms are now maturing quickly. In the beginning, in TikTok's very beginning stages, any content would go viral. You could put up absolutely junk content and it would go viral because there weren't a lot of people on the platform. There were more consumers on the platform. So I would say it was like 99% consumers, 1% creators. And so you could post whatever you wanted to and it would go viral. Now there's probably about 10% consumers. And because even though it's 10%, that's still millions of videos, which are all fighting for viewership and space and competition. You have to also realize that TikTok's algorithm is changing. It has changed probably 20 times in the last 2 years to make it so that people stay on the app a little bit longer, to make it so that they can make more money ultimately. And so the best way to make more money is to keep people watching videos longer. And so longer videos are going to be a little bit better in the eyes of TikTok. That's why they focus on watch time. They focus on view duration, things of that nature. Is your content actually bingeable? And so keep those things in mind when it comes to these quick, fast cash, low effort type of things, because ultimately low effort means low results. So again, this is the process, real simple. I think it takes 20 minutes to explain it. You just type in motivational or inspirational quotes. You type in inspirational music. You type in drone photos. You put it all into a video editing software. I use ScreenFlow for my video editing software, and then money will magically fall out of the sky. Now that we have that background, let's take a look at my account. So this is my account. I've been uploading for just under 2 months. And as you can see, apparently my printer has decided that it's going to print stuff. Great. As you can see here, I am getting very low views. And here we go. If we look at the top here, I have a total of 11 followers and 139 likes. So I've been uploading this for 2 months, two videos every single day. And I have a total of 11 followers. Now, again, you need 1,000 followers to put a link. So right now, this isn't monetized at all. I'm wasting time and I'm wasting money uploading this over, though it doesn't take a lot of time, but the time that it does take, it's a waste of my time. And you can see here that, I'm getting barely 300 views, and it's because of what I mentioned. This is a more mature platform. It's only been around 2 years, but it's still really mature versus when it first got started. You have to consider watch time. You have to consider view duration. You have to consider if this content is even adding value. And for the most part, it's not. I had one video that had 13,000 views. And it's funny, this video that got a lot of views is kind of confrontational. It's kind of edgy, because you can see here, there's people arguing in the thing there, but this process does not work. Okay, I have 2 videos that have gotten over 1,000 views. Here's what you should do instead. If you want to do this, and I recommend creating unique original content. If you're going to do this, at least read over the quotes. All right, so it doesn't take much longer to read. Inspiration does exist, but it must find you working. It doesn't take that much longer to add in your voice. All right, you could hire somebody over on Fiverr to do it. You could hire a voice actor or actress, and they usually will do it by word. So you could actually take all of these words, and you could probably get 10 or 15 done for $10 or $20. Okay, so there are much better ways to do it. I recommend that if you're going to go this inspirational, motivational route, definitely read the text. It's not that hard. I recommend showing your face, because people want to connect with other people, not just this random text on the screen. It doesn't feel authentic. It feels like someone's just putting crap content together just to put crap content together. There are so many other ways that you can be successful when it comes to making money online that, and this goes to a larger point of why I created these I tried it type videos, is we spend so much time trying to find the shortcuts that we could have just done the regular way and been successful. And the time that has taken me, again, I've been doing this for about 2 months, putting together 15 videos probably takes 20 minutes. And I do this once a week. All right. So 20 minutes over 2 months is enough time to start a TikTok account and create original content. Let me show you what you could do. Go over to answerthepublic.com. Answer the public. Go to answerthepublic.com and you type in your niche. Type in any niche. For example, we could type in something like, let's do make money online. Hit enter, and we could just switch this to data. You could create videos here. Is making money online legit? Yes. You could create a 30-second video explaining how making money online is legit. how to make money online for free. You could just roll through all of these questions. In fact, that's what I'm going to start doing on my TikTok account. Just roll through all of these questions, all of these statements, and you can do this unlimited. Let's see, make money online, get paid through PayPal. So you could do a video, 5 ways to make money online and get paid through PayPal. You could go like 5 ways to make money online fast and free, easy, no scams. If you don't want to use Answer the Public, go to Google and type in how to make money online. Hit enter, and there's a few things you can do. Scroll through and do, people also ask, how can I make $100 today online? You answer this question, record your face while doing it. 5 ways that you can make money online today. One thing that I did originally with my first TikTok account that had close to 50,000 followers is I came up to Google and I typed in online business ideas. And one of them, the first one was from like Forbes, but look, you can go to Shopify. And then what I did is I said 5 online business ideas, part 1. And then I listed all 5 of them. And then my next video was how to start your own clothing line. And then I offered a step-by-step guide on how to start the clothing line. So instead of having 29 business ideas, I had almost an infinite amount because this actually had people asking questions. And then you could answer those questions. There's so many better ways to make money online, to do TikTok and make money online than to just do this low effort, low result stuff that I'm showing you. So again, you could come over to Answer the Public. You could do Google Trends. You can do, as I mentioned, I showed you with Google. You could look at Google News and see what's popping up, what's important on Google News, and you can relate it to your niche. But you can see here, there's tons of opportunity that if you put a little bit of effort, you're going to get a bunch of results. Instead of putting in no effort and getting no results and being frustrated, like you see here, put a little bit of effort in and you can be successful. Now that you know if this works, click the first link in the description. I'm giving away a free affiliate marketing planner. That planner is going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business. It also includes some social media planners so that you can get up and running with social media marketing. Also watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.